Welcome to our channel, the Craving Corner. Today we are going to make a bread egg frittata in a bowl in the air fryer. But before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time we post a new video. This recipe is going to be made in air fryer today, but you can have an option to do it in a regular oven, and also the bread that we use is totally as an option. Here are my ingredients, the main ones. I'm taking 2 eggs, cilantro, tomato, finely chopped, and you can add as many as vegetables that you want with salt and pepper. This is my air fryer, and I'm going to set it for 350 and preheat it for 3 minutes, and then I will set it up for 3 minutes as you see, and let it get warmed up. Now we see that the air fryer has been heated up, and we are going to mix up all the ingredients and beat the eggs so that the frittata comes out to be fluffy. That's the bread that I'm setting in the bowl after greasing it with a little butter or oil, however you prefer. Add some salt and pepper, and as I said, you can add more vegetables like peppers, bell peppers, jalapenos, or some kind of different spices that you might like, what your kids or the family might prefer. And then beat up the eggs along with everything, and the mixture can be poured on the bread. If you do not prefer the bread, you can add the mixture alone on the ramekin, which I'm using for the air fryer. Now again, I am going to set it for the same temperature, but I will add the mixture in the bowl, and then make sure my air fryer is preheated already so that I can add the bowl in the air fryer. See how it looks? Close the air fryer. Again, set it for 6 to 7 minutes depending on how fluffy. If you want it a little more crustier, you can go for 8 to 9 minutes. I have put it for 7, and let's see. Let the air fryer do some work, and then it's almost ready. You see how it's fluffed up and how it looks, and our frittata is ready. You can go dig in. You can garnish it with some more seasoning if you wish from the top. See you next time. Thanks for watching.